What I've learned today is that I've learned how to engage with other people, like in social activities and in a group or a society.
Today is the transition series, which really focuses, we do a lot of work around people graduating from high school into the adult world where services are no longer mandated. And so it's left for families to kind of figure out and navigate what that process needs to be.
ARC is an organization that supports families and children with intellectual disabilities. So what happens with transition is in schools, we're working with the students closely, and as they start to age out of the school system, we want to look at how are they going to transition from high school to jobs or more school or whatever, whatever they choose to do.
I'm the parent of a student who has a significant developmental disability. He's currently 18. He will stay in school until he's 22. And so a lot of the information that I'm learning today will be very applicable to his life.
I had to learn how to do work.
Do you remember any?
The tree.
The trees?
Yes.
What was that about?
How to learn to get a job and
here we are, we're just sitting here and there's a notebook with all this information that actually I've had to read through. You can study, highlight, and see which is going to apply to your particular situation.
Having come today is very worthwhile. I found lots of good information, answers to questions that I had, and things I'll be able to pass on to other parents as well.
The benefit to Marymount students is multifaceted. So not only is it a service learning event, it allows them to build lesson plans, to work together and collaborate in teams, and then they get to come and practice that pedagogy, that learning here with the students.
It benefits me by not only giving me these hands-on experiences, but teaching me a little more about transitions and what services and what things are provided for students out in the real world.
Learn not to wear or do during an interview.
And it helps us because we're getting hands-on experience before we actually have to go into the classroom.
Got to meet some new people. Got to play wild games. I learned how to take turns, how to follow the rules for the games.
What I'm really getting out of it is I get to work with some wonderful kids, and I get to see my peers in action, and it's a lot of fun.
The thing I like the most is how people are special in their own way and do their stuff in different ways.
We've had a chance to just create what the community needs, and it's that connection that we've made and that sense of community that we've built here with the ARC of Northern Virginia and the families and the students here, and it continues to grow.
You are?
Oh, you're so talented.
Thank you.
Do you like to draw?
I do.